Mosquitoes are a common problem for many people, especially during the summer months. Not only are they a nuisance, but they can also carry diseases such as West Nile virus and malaria. In this video, we will discuss how to get rid of mosquitoes and protect yourself from their bites. Prevention is the best way to control mosquitoes. The first step is to eliminate any standing water on your property. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water, so removing sources of standing water can greatly reduce the number of mosquitoes in your area. This includes items such as old tires, bird baths, and even small puddles. Keep gutters clean and make sure they are properly draining to prevent water from accumulating. You can also install mosquito dunks or mosquito bits in ponds, fountains, or other standing water to kill the larvae. Another important step in mosquito prevention is to make sure that doors and windows have tight-fitting screens. You can also use air conditioning to keep mosquitoes out of your home. If you don't have air conditioning, use a fan to create a breeze that will make it harder for mosquitoes to land on you. When you're outside, there are steps you can take to protect yourself from mosquitoes. Wear long sleeves and pants, and use mosquito repellent. DEET is a common active ingredient in mosquito repellents, and it has been proven effective in preventing mosquito bites. You can also wear clothing treated with permethrin, which is a synthetic insecticide. Additionally, it's important to be mindful of the time of day when you're outside. Mosquitoes are most active at dawn and dusk, so try to avoid being outside during these times. For a more natural solution, consider using essential oils to repel mosquitoes. Oils such as citronella, lemon eucalyptus, and peppermint have been found to be effective in repelling mosquitoes. You can use these oils in a diffuser or add a few drops to your skin before going outside. Another natural solution is to plant certain types of plants that mosquitoes don't like, such as marigolds, basil, and lemon balm. These plants not only repel mosquitoes but also add color and fragrance to your garden. Another way to control mosquitoes is by introducing certain types of fish and insects to bodies of water on your property. Fish such as goldfish and guppies feed on mosquito larvae, and dragonflies are known to eat adult mosquitoes. You can also use mosquito fish, which are a type of fish that feed on mosquito larvae, in backyard ponds or other sources of standing water. If you have a large area of water, you can introduce bats to control mosquitoes. Bats can eat up to 1,200 mosquitoes per hour, so they can be a very effective natural control. If natural solutions aren't enough, you may need to use chemical solutions to get rid of mosquitoes. There are several types of chemical mosquito control products available, including sprays, foggers, and traps. Before using any chemical products, make sure to read the label carefully and follow the instructions. Keep in mind that chemical products can be toxic to other insects and animals, so use them with caution. One chemical solution is the use of mosquito foggers, which release a fine mist of insecticide that settles on surfaces and kills mosquitoes on contact. Mosquito foggers can be used in a backyard or on a larger property and are effective at quickly reducing mosquito populations. However, it's important to be aware that foggers can also kill beneficial insects, so use them with care. Another chemical solution is the use of mosquito traps. These traps use a combination of heat, light, and carbon dioxide to attract mosquitoes and trap them. While mosquito traps can be effective in reducing the number of mosquitoes in an area, they may not be practical for large properties or for long-term control. Lastly, it's important to note that if you live in an area where mosquitoes are known to carry diseases, it's especially important to take steps to control them. In these cases, it's a good idea to seek the advice of a pest control professional who can help you develop a mosquito control plan that's tailored to your specific needs. In conclusion, getting rid of mosquitoes is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process that requires a combination of strategies. By eliminating standing water, using screens and air conditioning, and protecting yourself with repellents and clothing, you can reduce the number of mosquitoes in your area. Additionally, using natural solutions such as essential oils, plants, and beneficial insects can be effective in controlling mosquitoes without the use of harmful chemicals. If all else fails, professional help can be sought. Remember to stay vigilant and take steps to protect yourself and your loved ones from mosquitoes and the diseases they may carry.